welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys a super fun unboxing from Stitch Fix. You guys know I absolutely love Stitch Fix. That's why I am so excited to announce that today's video is actually sponsored by Stitch Fix. If you guys are not familiar, Stitch Fix is a styling service where you're matched with a personal stylist to pick and choose pieces for you based on your wants, your needs, and what you are looking for to upgrade your wardrobe. Your stylist chooses 5 pieces for you, and those 5 pieces can be anything from jewelry, accessories, clothes, shoes. They carry activewear. They also have casual pieces. They have workwear. So whatever you are really looking for, they definitely have it. Today's box, I did actually request some spring pieces, and I'm so incredibly excited to share those with you guys. You guys can also link your social media accounts with your personal stylist on Stitch Fix so they can get to know you a little bit better and see your style more in action. For me, I linked my Pinterest, I linked my Instagram, and I also linked my YouTube channel so they can see me a little bit more. With Pinterest, I do feel like it's the best on there because you can actually pin pieces that you want to try out. So maybe they're a Stitch Fix exclusive piece. You can pin it on your board so your stylist can see that, or you can pin other outfits so they can kind of get an idea of pieces that you might like. For my most recent board, I actually pinned a pair of white jeans, and my stylist was actually able to find them, and she did send them to me today. So I'm so incredibly excited to share those with you guys. You guys know I've been on the hunt for a good pair of white jeans, and I think I actually found that, so I'm so excited. But I do want to keep this intro short because I do have some really awesome pieces to share with you guys today. But if you guys are interested in trying out Stitch Fix, I will have a link in the description box down below that does give you actually $25 towards your first box with Stitch Fix. So if you guys choose to buy anything or one piece from your first box, you will automatically have $25 credited towards your account that you can use towards those pieces. And that link will be in the description box down below. As always with my unboxings, I am going to talk about all the pieces, try everything on for you guys. I will have the name of the items listed in the description box down below, and we'll talk about prices towards the end. But if you guys are interested in seeing this unboxing from Stitch Fix, then please keep watching. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, with Stitch Fix, you are sent 5 items. Those pieces can be clothes, shoes, accessories, really anything that you're interested in receiving. For this month, I actually received 4 pieces of clothing and 1 accessory. So I'm going to start with the accessory first. I don't typically receive accessories that often, so I was really excited to see one in my box for this month. So this is from the brand Kevia. This is the Lainey 5-piece earring set, and this is in the color gold, and they cost $36. So first of all, this is what the box looks like. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I'm so obsessed with the box in general. I think it looks so cute. So this is what the box looks like inside. So there are 5 pieces of jewelry. There is a pair of everyday, girls' night, date night. They just have a huge variety. And you know what? It's so funny. I was actually thinking the past few weeks how I really needed something like this. Because I lost a lot of my earrings recently, and I feel like my stylist honestly just like read my mind, because I definitely needed something like this. And for $36, honestly, I don't think that's bad, especially for 5 pieces of jewelry, when we would pay probably like $10 a piece for these earrings, honestly, even at places like Target or something like that, which is usually where I pick up a lot of my affordable jewelry. So I think these are so cute. The everyday ones right here, the squares, are my favorite, and then the date night ones in the center. But I am obsessed with these. I think they are so cute, and to me this is definitely a keeper. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about these. The next piece I have to share with you guys is a little dress. This is from the brand Kaileigh. It's the Harper button front knit dress in an extra large, and this costs $54. So this is what the dress looks like here. I think this is so cute. So it is a tank top style dress. It's super stretchy, feels really great quality. It does have a I guess like a square neckline. There are buttons in the center, but they are actually completely faux, so they don't do anything, which is nice. I kind of like just the detail without having to worry about like popping out of them. It has like a zigzag, and then as we go down there are stripes as well. I think this dress is so very flattering, but also so unique. The reason I say it's unique is because when pulling it out, out. I didn't really think anything of it, but the way that it curved my body, I really, really liked it. So it does fit at more of a midi length, and it also does fit almost like a bodycon where it's tighter to the skin, but it doesn't feel like, when I think of bodycons, I always think of like clubby. This one's definitely classier, definitely in my opinion, and I think this is just going to be so incredibly cute. Right now, I've been trying to plan a vacation around my birthday to go to maybe Florida. So I was thinking maybe wearing this. I think that would be so cute, but I'm also graduating in May as well. So I thought maybe I could wear something like this with a jean jacket. I actually received a jean jacket from Stitch Fix last year that I absolutely love. If I can find that video, I'll have it linked down below. I wear that jean jacket like every single day in the summertime because it is my favorite, and I think it would look really amazing with this dress. Also, I forgot to mention this dress is double lined as well, so really great. You don't have to worry about it being see-through. In the try-on portion, I paired it with, I didn't have any shapewear on. I had a higher waisted pair of undies that gave me a little bit of coverage, but personally, if I'm wearing this dress out, I probably would put shapewear on because it is more form-fitting, just for reference. The next piece I have to share with you guys, I also just think is so, so cute. Honestly, you guys, this was a really good box. Like, I'm really very happy with it. This is from the brand Lush, and this is the Lillian button-down tie front top, tie front knit top in an extra large, and this is only $36. So this is what the top looks like here. I think it is so, so cute. You guys know I've mentioned before, but I really like green right now. I've just been feeling it. So it is a green and white striped blouse. It does have the buttons in the center and the tie at the bottom as well. The sleeves have really great coverage. We also have that little bit of a like flare to them, a little bit more of a bell sleeve. And then the bottom of the top also, like I said, has the tie, but this top is not super, super cropped. It is a little bit more short, but definitely not super cropped where I feel, where I don't feel like I have enough coverage. I think this is really great, and I paired it with a pair of white jeans that I'm going to share with you guys last because they are definitely the winners here, but I thought this with the white jeans was such a cute outfit. But let me know in the comments down below what your favorite piece was, because this is definitely one of my favorites. And then the last top I have to share with you guys is from the brand Absolutely. This is the Markle Crewneck pullover in an extra large, and it costs $38. This is what the blouse looks like here. I will say this is my least favorite out of all of the pieces that I received, but I actually really still like it, which surprised me a lot. When I pulled it out of the box, I was kind of iffy about it, but putting it on, it really did fit really well in my opinion. So it is a mustard and white striped pullover. It is a thicker material, but definitely not too heavy, where it's perfect for this like in-between weather, between winter and spring. Right now in Maryland, it's been a bit warmer, like 50s, not like super warm or anything, so this would be definitely perfect. It does fit about at a quarter sleeve, and then there are stripes as we go down on this sleeve as well. This shirt was sized up in the extra large, which I think was a good call. Definitely fits me really great in my opinion. In the try on portion, I did tuck it into the white pants that you guys are going to see next, and I thought that was actually cute, where I just did that little front tuck underneath the pant, underneath the buttons in the jeans, and I thought that was so cute. So I feel like this is versatile. I also could even see myself wearing this to work as well. So I like this one, but again, I would say out of everything, it is definitely my least favorite. I've saved the absolute best for last. This one is definitely my #1 favorite. So these are the Madewell 10-inch high-rise button front step frayed hem skinny jeans. They're in a size 14 and they cost $135. So you guys, if you watched me before, you know I am very cheap when it comes to jeans for the most part. I've been trying to loosen up a little bit on jeans because I found a really awesome pair a few months ago from Stitch Fix that were the same price as these, because they're the exact same ones, and I'm in love with them, and I wear them literally almost every single day because they are that good. So I'll link that video down below if I can find it. I got these exact same jeans in blue. They're not the same. The hem is the hem is different on the bottom, but as far as fit and style and everything, they're pretty much the same. But I'll link that video down below. Those are my favorite jeans literally ever, if you guys are interested. But these are them in white. So like I said, they are from the brand Madewell. They are a high-rise pair of white jeans. The white on the jeans is going to throw off my lighting, so I apologize in advance. They do have the button front detail. These are in silver. The ones I have that are in a blue jean have a gold button front, but I kind of like the silver with the white. They do have traditional front pockets, and they do also have traditional back pockets. And then these jeans do not have any distressing on them at all. And then as we go down to the bottom of the jean, they do have that step hem, so where it's shorter in the front and then longer in the back with the fraying at the bottom. These jeans are so incredibly perfect. They are so high-waisted. They fit really great. They're very flattering on my body. They do kind of show the visible belly line, which we've talked about before on my channel, but I definitely do not feel like it is bad at all compared to other white jeans that I've tried on in the past, and even white jeans that I own. This is like nothing compared to them, in my opinion. I have nothing but good things to say about these white jeans. I actually, like I said in the beginning of this video, I did pin these on my Pinterest to try them out. I saw a blogger talking about them and I wanted to try them out for myself, and I think they're awesome. The one thing I will say about them is I do own these in the blue color, and I have them in the 32 regular. Actually, Madewell goes by the waist measurements rather than the numeric sizes, I guess you can say. But I have them in the 32 regular, and the length is perfect on my blue ones. The white ones are just a little too short. I don't think they're like super bad, but let me know definitely in the comments down below if you guys think that they look bad at all. Because I will try to see if I can get them in a longer length, but I don't personally think that they are too bad. They do hit me like right at the ankle, which I think is kind of cute anyway with the spring and summer. So the price, guys, is high, obviously. $135. Oh my god, $135 for a pair of jeans is so crazy to me, but these are 100%. I am 100% keeping these because I know with those blue jeans, I literally wear them all the time. They are my most favorite jeans. They are the most flattering and the most comfortable. They really do keep their shape. So I'm hoping, well, I already know honestly from just trying them on that they feel exactly the same. So these are 100% going home with me. I will keep you guys updated on them if you guys are interested. I do want to just talk about cost really quick with you guys. So the cost for this entire box, if I were to keep all 5 items, the cost is $301. Now that is relatively high in comparison to my normal boxes. They typically hang around 200, I believe, maybe like 220, 240, I would say. But you guys have to remember that these jeans are $135 by themselves. So I don't mind a higher box. So if we do keep all 5 items, we do get 25% off, which then brings our box down to $225.75. $225.75 is not that bad, especially when thinking about that these jeans are $130 by themselves. So basically we're spending less than $90 for the rest of these pieces. But then we do also get our $20 styling fee credited towards our account. So our box then becomes $205.75. So $200 basically for all 5 pieces is not a bad deal, especially when, again, you're thinking about it in the fact that these jeans are already more than half of it by themselves. So honestly, even though this box was higher, I am going to keep everything. I've already decided. I love everything so much, and I'm so excited to get use out of all of these pieces. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what your favorite was that I tried on today for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have received anything super awesome from Stitch Fix lately that you guys think that I would love and need to request from my stylist. Before we wrap up this video, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, check out my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. Make sure you guys do follow me on there because I am going to be styling some of these pieces on Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me so you can see how I style these pieces. But if you guys are interested in trying out Stitch Fix, you guys can do so using that link in the description box down below as well. Again, that link is going to give you $25 credited towards your first box. So if you are interested in keeping any of your pieces from your first box, you will be automatically credited $25, which I think is such an awesome deal. Thank you again so much to Stitch Fix for wanting to work with me on this video. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.